I wanted to teach in a new way, not the usual way of working kind of one-on-one, and I like the idea of just using games, theatre, singing, just everything for this kind of like beautiful experience of learning English for children, and to be able to kind of give that to a child as well, that passion for English. And I just thought this was the best course ever, because I looked around at all kinds of different stuff, but it incorporated everything, you know. And I thought you were great. It was like, just like, wow, she seems like really amazing. I just want to like work with this person, like for sure, like definitely. I didn't expect this much, honestly. It's very, very intense. I mean, you cover everything. It's like the people are amazing, you with like-minded people, and sharing information and, you know, advice, and, you know, absolutely it just exceeded my expectations, to be honest. Yeah.
It was everything, and especially you and all the passion that you put inside, and we all got that. Thank you.
Yeah, also like you and your energy levels and all the 1 million trillion ideas that you gave us. I'll go back and I'll try to be 1 millionth of you, and I'm sure it will be amazing. Yeah, we really loved it.
As I came here, my purpose was to have something new, you know, something new. And the way of teaching that you had in these 5 days, I find it fantastic, really fantastic, because I started thinking about, now I go back home and I will do this, change my room, my office in this way, and that's was I was looking for.
What I loved about the course is your energy. The ideas, you awoke in my inner child, not like that was different. But no, the techniques you taught us, the voice projection, the excitement of, you know, dealing with small children and how to make it up and happy for them, because if you're having fun, you are learning. I didn't think it was so as active as what it was, so that made it really fun and exciting, because it wasn't just sitting there, no, we are actually playing and with costumes and role playing and everything. So actually getting involved and doing all this, that was a great surprise.